Click on the link below to get price. The Porter 534-05269 EVO Briefcase is an impressive blend of functionality and style tailored for the modern professional. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the sleek, minimalist design. The exterior is crafted from high-quality, water-resistant nylon that not only looks sophisticated but also ensures durability against everyday wear and tear. The subtle branding adds a touch of elegance without being ostentatious, making it suitable for both formal and casual environments. Inside, the organization is thoughtfully designed. The main compartment is spacious enough to accommodate a laptop up to 15 inches, along with ample space for files and documents. The padded sleeve provides extra protection for your device, which is a crucial feature for anyone on the go. Additionally, the bag includes multiple pockets, both zippered and open, which are perfect for stowing away chargers, pens, business cards, and other essentials. This thoughtful layout helps keep everything in place, making it easy to access what you need quickly. Comfort is another standout feature. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded, allowing for a comfortable carrying experience even when the bag is fully loaded. The briefcase also provides sturdy top handles, which are easy to grip, making transitions from hand carry to shoulder carry seamless. One minor drawback is that the briefcase might be slightly heavier than expected when fully loaded, but this is a trade-off for the robust materials used in its construction. The zippers are smooth and reliable, a detail that often gets overlooked in bags of this type. Overall, the Porter 534-05269 EVO Briefcase is an excellent investment for professionals looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional business bag. It strikes the right balance between form and function, ensuring that you not only look good but also have everything you need at your fingertips. It's a bag that can keep up with your pace while enhancing your professional image.